What are the reasons for people's betrayal in an emotional relationship? Betrayal has many reasons, including lack of loyalty or even revenge. If you also want to know the reasons for this behavior, stay with me in this video. Maybe they had unfaithful parents. If you grow up in a home where betraying is the norm, it may become a habit. The problem is their personality. According to experts, the probability of betraying is higher in some personality types. For example, those who seek fear and excitement, drug addicts, those who are afraid of growing up and the obligations of adulthood betrayal more often. They have entered a certain phase of their life or emotional relationship that is not pleasant for them. For example, at the beginning of an emotional relationship and rebelliousness that happens unconsciously against commitment in this period, or during their wife's pregnancy, when some men are afraid of not having freedom. They are looking for the fear and excitement that comes with betrayal. These people are tired of their current emotional and sexual relationship, and everything has become boring, predictable, and normal for them. They try to create newness in their lives by establishing a relationship with a new person. They feel to be ignored in their current relationship. If you are comfortable in your relationship but don't feel that they love you, betrayal is the best way to get the attention you want. They are psychologically insecure. This characteristic causes various problems in the relationship, including jealousy or control of your romantic partner. A relationship with such people can lead to betrayal of any of them. You want to experience the same feeling that they had. Even if you decide to get back into your old relationship, don't forget that forgiveness is sometimes impossible. You haven't found out how serious your relationship is and how committed you are to him. One day you may find that your partner doesn't take your relationship seriously and thinks more freedom. They are afraid of leaving. An angry parent who is suddenly aggressive and insulting to their child is one of the examples of such emotional trauma. They don't have the necessary skills for a healthy conversation. If they can't talk about the hidden problems in their relationship with each other, they will probably avoid cheating.